So I sowed some early French Marigolds, and there was only a few seeds in the packet, and I wasn't sure how old they were either, the seeds, but the upshot of it is I got two from it. I think it's focusing in on one of them and another one there, and that's it out of the whole packet. But lo and behold, what I found in my store, if I can find it now. Oh. These are the ones I saved from last year, and this is half full, so I'll be sowing them shortly. Okay, so let's sow the French Marigolds first. I'm pretty sure these were last year's that I saved. Well, hopefully they are anyway. But I've got about 1 million seeds in there, so I'll do them fairly thickly. Seems silly not to. I've got the seeds, and then if it is poor germination, it's not going to matter as long as I get some. I think it's probably more than enough. Just make sure they all lie flattish. Before I cover them over. This is twice sieved compost from my homemade stuff, mixed with a good amount of perlite for drainage. It's nice and moist, and that's going to go in the greenhouse, and with fingers crossed. I might actually put it on my, take it home, put it on my Super 7 for a week just to get it going. And the next thing is potting up some peppers. These are jalapenos. Try to do this without too much disturbance. A bit deeper. Again, I'll go home, back on my windowsill. And to make sure I don't knock them over, we're going to use little receptacles here. another little job complete.